guys, your girl Stephanie coming through with another video. If you are not already a subscriber of mine, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell down below so you will be notified each and every time I upload a video. If you are new, welcome, and if you are a current subscriber, welcome back. So today's video, as you can see, I am still in uniform, just got off of work, but my package finally came. So if you have been following me, I am owner of Real Blue Cosmetics, and I have been looking for a faster way to print shipping labels and also print my product labels. So right now I order my product labels from Vistaprint, and that gets really expensive, especially the amount that I need and the shipping time, and I prefer to be able to create them myself. So what I did was a little confused as to which product I needed, because I wanted to do shipping labels and also create my own stickers and labels, and I was going between an actual printer and then an actual thermal label printer. So if you're not familiar, the difference between an actual printer, it uses colorful inks to print, and you have to replace toner and ink cartridges to continue to use those, which can, from what I hear, get pretty expensive. Whereas thermal label printer only uses heat and never needs ink, and it prints, I think, at least 180 labels. I forgot how fast they said, but I'll put that in when I edit this video, I'll put it somewhere here so that you can see how fast it prints. So I went and purchased a couple weeks ago, I got the HP Officejet Pro 6978. This is it, and this is an all-in-one. It is wireless, and it prints, faxes, scans, and copies. And also there's a way to sign up where you can get ink cartridges for a set amount every month. So I thought I was getting a desk jet. As you can see, this is my desk, and this thing is too big to fit on my desk. I'm going to pull it out here to let you see what it looks like. These are what the cartridges looks like, and these are the ink cartridges. And so this thing, oops, this thing is huge. So it's actually an Officejet, which is a lot bigger than a desk jet. So if you're gonna order one of these, a desk jet is specifically for that, for your desk. This is a Officejet. I can't get this thing out. Let me pause this camera really quick until I get it out. So like I said, y'all, this thing is huge. So this is what it looks like, just in case you don't know the difference between a desk jet and an Officejet. I ended up ordering an Officejet, which is clearly too big to be putting on my desk. So again, this is a printer, scanner, faxer, copier, all in one, and it is wireless. I paid about $100 for this on Amazon. It was fast shipping. And then today, I got this in the mail. This is what I've been looking for. This is the Munman thermal label printer. So this prints shipping labels, and I also need something that's going to print labels to go on my bottles, like these. But like I said, I currently get these from Vistaprint. I eventually am going to be printing those on my own once I learn how. So it looks like this comes with a USB. Ouch. I don't know exactly what I'm going to be using that for, because this is my first time opening this. Like I said, I just got this in the mail today. And this is a cute little thermal printer. So as you can see, this is so much smaller than the Officejet Pro that I have, but I think I'm going to end up keeping both of them. Of course, I'm going to keep this one because it's so small. And it's like, whoop, you just open it here. I mean, this is so lightweight, like, seriously, like, this is so lightweight. And so, as you can see, this will fit just fine on my desk. It's very small. I would say this thing probably ain't even 3 pounds, if that, 4 pounds, I don't know. And then it comes with a USB cord. And then also, it says a USB-C to use the adapter for a Mac computer. So if you have a Mac computer, this will be the adapter for that. Let's see what's in here. This is the power cord, I'm assuming. So this is the power block. And then the actual power cord that hooks up to this and then into your wall. And then I guess the power cord goes inside here. And I haven't used it. I think this was supposed to come with some paper. And it didn't. So I thought this was supposed to come with some paper. Or did it? It did. Y'all, this came with some paper. So I ain't gotta go out and buy none right now. So yeah, here's some. It came with some small these look like maybe 4x6. Yeah, these are 4x6. So it basically shows you that basically it shows you the difference between where if you print using a normal size paper here, the 8x11, you have a lot of white space left over because you're only needing to print 1 or 2 labels, and then whereas it shows the 4x6 over here on this side is what this will print out on the Munbin printer to save you some space and time. So all you do is print, pull these off, and stick it on your package, and you're good to go. So y'all, I'm so glad that I can now ship from home because your girl is tired of running to the post office. And I know I said earlier that I was going to do a free giveaway at 100 subscribers if you could guess the color of my hair, but I already did it. And since you want to be out of my business, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. So excuse my little roughness right now, but yeah, so I told y'all since my hair had been coming out that I was gonna go ahead and do whatever it is that I wanted to do with it. So that's what I did. So yesterday, let me show y'all what I did. Was it yesterday? No, it was the day before. So the day before, I decided to go ahead and change the back of my hair. And since you want to be nosy and all up in my business, and if you know me well enough, you know my favorite color, and you would already know what color my hair is, and you could have won you a free giveaway. But now that giveaway is canceled, but I'm still going to do a free giveaway at my 100th subscriber. So yeah, so yep, change the blue, y'all. Boom. See that? My hair is blue, y'all. So I only did bottom half. So this is what it looks like. I don't even know if I parted it right. So if you can tell, if you look at my nails, that's why my fingernails look this color. I ended up clipping them all off today because of me getting hair dye on them. So if you are interested in learning how I achieved this color blue in my head, stay tuned. Stay tuned for the next video. Yes, y'all, I am thinking about going ahead and dye my whole head this color. But yeah, this is what the back of my hair looks. Just wait till I get this blowout and get it flared iron. So I dyed it black on the top, as you can see, and blue on the bottom. That's gonna be a really, really cute blowout. So all I have to do now is think about how to properly care for this as I keep this in my head. And if you have any suggestions in the comment section down below, I am or was 100% natural until 2 days ago when I added these colors in my head. So like I said, if you have been following me, this month was my hair anniversary year where I decided to go natural a year ago, and I am now, or have been 100% natural for quite a few months now, but this month marks a year. And I don't know what I did differently, but my hair, as you can see, is no longer shedding. If you looked at my previous video, you could see where my hair was just simply coming out. I don't know if it's because I put these colors in my hair that my hair some kind of bonded. I did go ahead and put some Olaplex in my head. I'll have the step-by-step in the video once I decide to upload it. I have to edit it first. But yeah, so this is the status of my hair now. It is doing a lot better than it was a few weeks ago. Like I said, y'all, I increased my water intake, started taking my hair vitamins, and then I went back and started back using the Blue Magic, I think it was the Super Grow, and mixing it with the regular Blue Magic and then the Blue Magic with castor oil. I know you said that's a lot of oils, but yeah. Excuse me. So here's my hair now, and we're going to continue this hair journey. So I'm going to continue to do what it is that I need to do to try to keep my hair health together. So like I said before, if you looked at my previous video, I lost quite a bit of hair since November. But right now, it's back in shape, y'all. I'm feeling a lot better with what it looks like now. And I'm just going to keep going. So again, just came through with this video to show y'all my new printers. And if you have any suggestions on which one you prefer, whether it be the HP Office all-in-one wireless printer or copier, or the Munbin thermal laser printer, label printer. If you have one preference over the other one, or if you have any suggestions as far as what you use it for, which one you prefer, please let me know down in the comment section below, because I don't want to keep spending money on all this stuff and having to keep doing all this research. I'd rather somebody else do it for me. So again, let me know down in the comment section below if you prefer the HP Officejet Pro or the Munbin printer, or if you just have both for whatever reason. Like I said, my main reason for needing these is to do my shipping labels, and I'm pretty sure you can do that on the Officejet Pro. They're just not going to come out in the 4x6. They're going to come out on the 8x11 paper, which is going to be wasted paper. But at the same time, it's money saving when you can use the thermal laser printer. You just can't print your colorful labels. If you wanted to print colorful labels, you can still print labels on color paper, but it's only going to come out in black. That's the difference between using the Officejet Pro and the Munbin printer. The Munbin printer only prints black, and it uses heat to print. Thermal laser printer. Get it? Thermal laser printers. Thermal laser printer. Thermal laser printer. So that's the difference, and you don't have to ever replace any cartridges or anything in the Munbin, but you do have to do that in the Officejet Pro. So that's as much as I know in the differences in the two. And yeah, so like I said, if you want to know how I achieve this blue color in my hair, stay tuned for that. I'll be uploading that soon. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.